Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I just woke up and it's around 2:45 a.m. na. So, medyo napuyat kami kasi nag-impake kami kagabi and nakasleep kami around 2 a.m. na. So, yeah, supposedly we are going to visit Sagada sana. However, my partner changed his mind and he decided to book a flight na lang papuntang Bali. Kasi na-miss din namin yung Bali. And yung first time na pumunta kami sa Bali, it's our friend's birthday. So, yung time is very limited. So, ngayon, nag-book kami ng flight for 2 weeks. So, mamaya around 8 p.m. yung flight namin. Now, what we are going to do is, we're going to the mall and we need to buy a new camera. Kasi yung old camera namin na wala siya when we were staying in Pampanga pa. We don't know kung paano siya nawala. But then again, we need to buy a new one kasi iba pa rin yung quality compare sa phone. So hopefully, merong stock ng camera na gusto namin mamaya sa pagpunta namin sa mall. At yan, medyo nagmamadali na kami kasi mamaya na yung flight namin. So yeah, see you later guys! So ito na nga, nagmamadali na kami. Papunta na kami sa mall kasi it's around 10 a.m. na. Inabangan talaga namin yung opening hours ng mall. So good thing malapit lang siya dito. Mga around 5 minutes lang. Kaso tumatagal kasi nga it's Manila. So tumatagal siya dahil sa traffic. Yay! Are you happy with your purchase?
Bata? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mother. So we are done. We are going home and we have a flight to catch. Let's go home. So we are back here in our place. So we're gonna show what we purchased earlier. So this is what we purchased. It's Fujifilm, as you can see. Actually guys, ang ganda niya talaga, oh. Tapos, changeable pa yung lens niya. Aside sa lens niya mismo, bumili pa kami ng ibang lens. So we are excited na gamitin to for our trip tomorrow in Bali. So we're gonna update you later guys. Bye! Hi guys, so time check, it's 5:09 p.m. So we're here at NAIA Terminal 1. So good thing umabot kami for 8 p.m. flight kasi sobrang maulan kanina and sobrang traffic from Quezon City dahil nga yung daan bumaha. So magche-check-in muna tayo. Tapos na kami sa immigration and we're just waiting for our departure. So ngayon, we are going to find some food, find something to eat. Hey guys, we are finally arrived here at Denpasar Airport. So the time is 11:53. So as you can see, their airport is very nice. Grabe ang ganda. And I hope na ganito rin kaganda sa Pilipinas soon. Look. How nice and detailed. So, ngayon, diretso na kami sa villa namin. And then, I don't think na makakapag-update na ako until tomorrow dahil sobrang pagod na. And we need to sleep. So, yeah. Goodbye. Hello guys, good morning. So, it's 10 a.m. here in Bali. And, nagising kami na medyo late na kasi we are so tired from our last night flight. Mga around 11:55 na rin kami dumating. So, this is the outside view from our villa. As you can see, it's very small. Pero, good choice na siya if dalawa lang kayo magta-travel. And it's so cheap. So, ngayon, wala naman kaming plano. We just want to eat and chill. Maybe tomorrow, dun pala kami, dun pa lang namin ta-try yung mga tour. So, yeah, I will update you guys. And see you later. Hindi namin alam pero pala yung restaurant na to, pero dahil gutom na kami, nag-order na lang kami. So we had octopus, and then mee goreng, and also Ron had beef rendang, and also calamares. So, gaya nga nasabi ko, hindi na namin pinag-isipan kung saan kami pupuntang restaurant dahil gutom na kami. Pero, as you can see, the food looks really good. So, let's try it. Hi guys, so tapos na kaming kumain and ang plano namin ngayon ay pumunta sa mall kasi bibili kami ng mga damit since hindi kami nagdala ng masyadong madaming damit and we are going to stay here for around 20 days. So ayun, pupunta kami ngayon ng mall and sobrang mura lang talaga dito at sobrang napakabait ng mga tao. So, see you in a bit. So, we are done. We're going back to our villa. Ang ganda talaga dito and sobrang cheap kasi cheap na yung price ng mga items and after that makakuha ka pa ng mga 50% or 30% discount kapag bumili ka ng dalawa. So we are back here sa aming villa. So ngayon mag-rest muna kami, mag-refreshen up and then mamaya babalik kami and pupunta kami sa beach para mag-sunset viewing. So later guys! Next on Life for Free. Look, merong Starbucks dito sa taas.